The vacation mode lets you set a schedule for your device to automatically turn on and off and apply that schedule to multiple days of the week. Open the Globe Suite app and press the Smart Device tab to go into the device's controls. Then press the Routines tab at the bottom of the screen. From the Vacation panel, press the slider in the bottom right corner to turn the feature on. Once on, the days of the week selected and the time of the device turning on and off will appear in green. If you want to change the days and time frame, press the Edit button in the top right corner of the panel. The first step is to choose the days of the week the schedule will apply to. Each day is represented at the top with an initial. To select a day, press on it and it will turn green. To deselect a day, press on it again and it will turn black. The next step is to pick a time frame for the device to turn on and off. Scroll through the Start At dial to set a start time. Then scroll through the Active Until dial until it is set to the time you want the device to turn off at. Once the vacation routine is set to your liking, press Save at the bottom of your screen. Now, your new routine will appear in green under Vacation. Press the Back button in the top left corner to return to your home screen.